You're trying to scale your team. You've got a handle on the product, the market, and the vision. But there's one thing holding you back: cost. Specifically, software costs. You've heard about ClickUp, this magical all-in-one productivity tool that promises to revolutionize how you work. But the question on everyone's mind is, how much does ClickUp actually cost per user? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of pricing, let's talk about why ClickUp is even worth considering. It's more than just a task manager. It's a platform that brings together project management, document sharing, communication, and even goal setting under one roof. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your workflow. Okay, so why does the price matter? Well, let's face it, budget is a real thing. No matter how amazing a tool is, if it's going to break the bank, it's a non-starter. So, let's break down ClickUp's pricing structure. ClickUp offers a tiered pricing system, which means there's a plan for almost every team size and budget. Free forever. Yep, you read that right. ClickUp has a free plan. It's ideal for small teams or individuals just starting out. You get unlimited tasks, members, and even a decent amount of storage. But, as you might expect, there are limitations. Unlimited. This is where things start to get interesting. For a modest fee per user per month, you unlock unlimited storage, unlimited integrations, and a bunch of other features that are essential for growing teams. Business. Need more control and customization? The business plan offers advanced features like custom permissions, time tracking, and goal management. It's a sweet spot for mid-sized teams. Business Plus. This plan is for teams that need the bells and whistles. Think white labeling, advanced reporting, and priority support. Enterprise. For the biggest of the big, ClickUp offers an enterprise plan. This one is highly customized to fit your specific needs and comes with a dedicated account manager. So, how much does it actually cost? Well, the price per user varies depending on the plan you choose. The unlimited plan, which is popular for many teams, is typically around $7 per user per month when billed annually. Business plans tend to be in the $12 per user per month range. And as you move up the tiers, the price increases accordingly. But here's the thing. While the price tag might seem steep at first glance, it's essential to consider the value you're getting. By consolidating multiple tools into one platform, you can potentially save money on licenses and subscriptions. Plus, the time saved by having everything in one place is invaluable. Now, there's one more thing to consider. ClickUp offers a generous free plan. This can be a great way to test the waters and see if ClickUp is the right fit for your team before committing to a paid plan. So, does ClickUp cost per user worth it? Ultimately, that's a decision only you can make. Weigh the features against your team's needs, consider your budget, and don't be afraid to take advantage of the free plan to see if it's a good match. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.